If you are tired of clicking through the insert symbol menu for geometric homework or professional diagram, there is a hidden mode in Word specially designed for math and science that most people never touch. So here is the most unique professional way to insert the angle symbol and other geometry markers. So in the first method, press the Alt key and equal sign, and equation editor box will be open up. Now put the backslash and type angle and hit the space bar. The text will instantly transform into the geometric angle symbol. And now type anything like 45, and if you want to insert a degree with that, you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side you need to press 0176 and then release the Alt key, and here it is. So another method is that you need to type 2220 and press Alt+X altogether. The number will instantly convert angle symbol, and now you can type anything like 180, and again if you want to insert a degree symbol with that, for this you need to press the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 0176 and release the Alt key. So there is another method. Click on the insert and click on the symbols and click on the equation, and on the symbols you need to click on this drop down, and in the basic math you need to click on that and click on this geometry, and here is the degree symbol, and type now whatever, and now again click on that, click on the this drop down and click on the basic math, and here is the degree symbol and click on that. So with these three methods you can easily insert the angle symbol in Word in just few seconds. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.